He does. I can love like Jesus. I believe His light can shine through me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good, good friend. Good, good friend. A good, good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good, good friend. Just like Jesus. With His help, I will forgive. I will forgive. I will forgive. Oh, with His help, I will forgive. Just like Jesus. I believe Jesus is helping me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I believe His light can shine through me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good, good friend. A good, good friend. A good, good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good, good friend. Just like Jesus. With His help, I will forgive. I will forgive. I will forgive. Oh, with His help, I will forgive. Just like Jesus. Everybody now. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus.
Who? You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hi. I'm Lucy, and my friends and I love cars so much that we decided to have our own car parade. I have to finish my car before we start. What color do you think I should paint it? On the count of 3, shout out your favorite color. 1, 2, 3. Wow, those are all amazing choices. There's only one thing left to do. I love it. I'm so glad you guys helped me choose. Now, what else does this car need? Oh, I know. Streamers! Beep, beep, coming through. Beep, beep. Ding. Uh-oh, I forgot to put something on the license plate.
Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Lucy. Who? You're quite a colorful car, aren't you?
Hi, Ollie. I'm decorating this car for our special parade.
What a fun idea. Who? I know of another special celebration, too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Who?
Follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hola friends, I'm Luis the Handyman. So happy to see you today. It's a very special day because it's Palm Sunday! And we're going to celebrate Jesus. Do you want to help me build this story? Haha, great! Let's put it on the story fence. Hammers up, little builders. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Today's true story from the Bible is all about Palm Sunday. It started in Jerusalem when people found out that Jesus was on his way to their town. They were so excited. They had heard that Jesus could do amazing things, and they wanted to see him. The people wanted to show that Jesus is special, so they got their coats and their palm branches. They spread their coats on the road and waved their palm branches in the air. Would you like to wave palm branches too? Great! If you don't have one, you can pretend like me. Now, when Jesus comes, we're going to wave our palm branches in the air like this. Woo! Let's try it. Ready? Good job. Now, when you see Jesus, wave your palm branch and shout with me, Hosanna, Hosanna, yay, Jesus! Let's practice. Ready? Hosanna, Hosanna, yay, Jesus! Great job. Now you're ready. You can put your palm branches down. Look, there he is. It's Jesus. Ready? Wave your branches. Hosanna, Hosanna, yay, Jesus! Hosanna, Hosanna, yay, Jesus! Let's say it louder! Hosanna, Hosanna, yay, Jesus! Great job, everyone! Palm Sunday is a special day where we celebrate Jesus. But you don't have to have a palm branch to celebrate Jesus. We can sing to Jesus. We can dance. We can pray. We can yell, yay, Jesus! Every day. The best thing we can do to celebrate Jesus is to love like Jesus. So start your engines and let's go, go, go and love like Jesus. Hey there, Ollie, tell me, who can love like Jesus?
I can love like Jesus. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can love like Jesus?
I can love like Jesus. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Adios. Whew.
So there's your story, and it's all true. When you love like Jesus, you are celebrating him too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, I love how people celebrated Jesus in this story, and we can celebrate Jesus too by loving like him. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. I just need to finish. What should I write here? Oh, I know. I'm going to write Yay Jesus on the license plate. That'll be perfect for a parade. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Love each other as I have loved you. John 15:12. Love each other as I have loved you. John 15:12.